Is it time to buy or sell Oklo stock? In this video, we will explore Oklo in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 1st of November, 2024, and we are now providing you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 14th of October, 2024, our system has categorized Oklo as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 3.13. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 115.84% since we initially identified Oklo as a buy candidate just 15 days ago. This results in an average return of 7.72% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likely continuation of this rise. The current 3-month trend points to a potential change of 126.25% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 30.36% to 166.31%. Our latest daily update for Oklo includes the headline: Volatile ride for Oklo Inc. stock price on Friday, moving between $21.31 and $24.79. The Oklo Inc. stock price fell by 3.52% on the last day Friday, the 1st of November, 2024, from $22.46 to $21.67. It has now declined for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 16.33%, from a low of $21.31 to a high of $24.79. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, but remains up by 18.87% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 5 million shares, despite falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 19 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $422,300,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $28.12, while the lowest price was $5.35. Currently, the price is 22.94%, or $6.45, below the 52-week high of $28.12, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Oklo Incorporated has positioned itself as a significant player in the nuclear energy sector, particularly as demand for energy continues to soar due to the rising influence of artificial intelligence. The stock has recently surged, with an impressive gain of nearly 140% in just 1 month, largely driven by renewed investor interest in small modular reactors as sustainable energy solutions. The increasing focus on nuclear energy is echoing throughout the utilities sector, which has outperformed the broader market with a 25% increase year-to-date. Oklo is set to release its third-quarter financial results on the 14th of November, which could further influence investor sentiment. With the backing of high-profile investors and recognition of its innovative technologies, Oklo is poised for growth. The ongoing demands for energy driven by artificial intelligence may fuel further investments into nuclear technology, potentially driving stock prices even higher in the short term. Investors seem optimistic, viewing Oklo not just as a speculative play, but rather as a crucial component of a sustainable energy future. In the long term, if Oklo can maintain its technological edge and adapt to the evolving energy landscape, it may solidify its standing and achieve sustained growth, positively impacting its stock performance. As energy demands continue to rise, especially from the technology sector, Oklo's advancements in nuclear power could be pivotal in keeping pace with these needs. Analyst Ratings. On Tuesday, the 24th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Oklo a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, B. Riley rated Oklo as a buy with an initialized recommendation. On Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, Seaport Global gave Oklo a neutral rating with an initialized recommendation. On Friday, the 21st of June, 2024, Citigroup again assigned Oklo a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 4th of June, 2024, Citigroup provided Oklo with a neutral rating and an initialized recommendation. Analysts have assigned Oklo stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book value as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Oklo. The stock for Oklo Inc. currently shows a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. However, it also reflects a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this results in an overall buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive outlook. Should there be further gains, the stock is expected to encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $21.93. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will likely find support from the long-term average, estimated at around $13.12. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may affect short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, and since then, the stock has decreased by 12.76%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, trading volume increased alongside the falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor this stock more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 4 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 32 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 31 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 33 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 19 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Oklo. Oklo Inc. identifies support from accumulated volume at $20.83. This level might present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits significant daily movement, indicating high volatility, and the broad prediction interval suggested by the Bollinger Band categorizes it as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $3.48, which is a 16.33% change. Throughout the last week, the average daily volatility of the stock was 18.79%. Before we dive into potential trading levels for Oklo, let's take a moment to cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE rate indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 4 is anticipated on the 12th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates predict a loss of 8 cents per share. It's important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Oklo. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Oklo is at $22.31. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a noteworthy level for swing trading. On the downside, Oklo encounters its first support level at $20.83. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Oklo from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 10th of July in the year 2024, when Christopher A. Wright conducted an insider purchase of 16,854 shares of restricted stock units. Our recommended stop loss is set at $20.68, representing a decline of 4.58%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. A sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is Oklo stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable likelihood for Oklo Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 4th of November, we anticipate that Oklo will open at 92 cents and begin trading at $22.59. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.